To begin, open the Part Design app through the compass on the web platform. Go to the search bar and search for the demo spirometer assembly. Right-click the object and select Open. Now we are going to create a simulation of the spirometer. Go to the compass and open the Fluid Scenario Creation app to create a new scenario of your part. Right-click the scenario in the tree and select Properties. Change the name of the scenario to your last name followed by your first name followed by Spirometer Simulation. Then click OK. Click the arrow near the top right and select Save to save the scenario to your collaborative space. On the toolbar, go to the Setup tab and open the Assistant. The Assistant will guide you through the simulation setup process step by step. Click the Model tab of the Assistant and it will prompt you to select or create a finite element model. Choose the Create option and click OK. Select all parts in the assembly to be included in the model. Click the Model tab of the Assistant again and select Model Setup. Search for Spirometer Demo Air and choose that as your material. Go to the Regions tab. A region has already been created for you. Select the interface of the spirometer as the support. Make sure the glyph is pointing inwards. If not, click the Flip Direction button. Go to the Openings tab. Click the plus to create a new opening. Select the inner edge of an opening on the spirometer as the support and you will see a blue circle appear, indicating that the opening has been created. Do this 3 more times for the other 3 openings on the spirometer. Click OK to close the model setup. Click the Physics tab of the Assistant and select Physics Behavior. Change the turbulence model to realizable K epsilon and click OK. Still in the Physics tab of the Assistant, select Transient Step to create a new transient step. Change the total time to 22 seconds and change the time increment to 1 second. Then click OK. Now go back to the toolbar and under the Setup tab select Tabular Amplitude. Fill in the values for the tabular amplitude as shown and click OK. Click the Boundaries tab of the Assistant and select Pressure Outlet. Select one of the 3 smaller openings as the support and set it to 0 gauge pressure. Then click OK. Repeat this for the other 2 smaller openings on the spirometer. Select Velocity Inlet from the Boundaries tab of the Assistant. Select the large opening on the spirometer as the support. Set the velocity to 5 meters per second and select the amplitude that you created earlier. Then click OK. Find the hex mesh in the tree under nodes and elements of the finite element model. Change the mesh settings to match the ones shown and click OK. Go to the Simulate tab of the Assistant. Run model and scenario checks to make sure there are no errors in your setup. Select Simulate from the Assistant to run the simulation. Once your results have generated, go to the Display tab of the toolbar and click Plot Sectioning. Create a section view of your results in the orientation shown. Browse the different contour plots of your results. You can click different timestamps to see the results at that point in time. You can change the active contour plot to see different velocity or pressure contour plots. Click the play button in the top corner to play an animation of the selected results. Under the Plots tab of the toolbar, select XY plot from path. Create a new path with the points shown and click OK.